guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to reset the transmission on a CLK 500 2003. The reason why I'm doing this is because I have been having issues lately with my transmission not shifting right sometimes, so I need to see if this would work. Alright, so you'll need to have your ignition on, so that's 2 clicks, and then you'll press your gas pedal all the way till you feel a click for 10 seconds. And then keep your foot on the gas, turn it off, give it 5 seconds, and then you take your foot off, give it a few minutes, and then turn it on. And it should feel like brand new, as far as your transmission, of course. It should feel brand new, shifting right, responding like it's supposed to. If not, your car has a problem. Thank you for watching.